Understanding superheat and subcooling is key to getting your air conditioning system charged just right, especially when you're dealing with fixed orifice setups. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is figure out your indoor wet bulb temperature. It sounds fancy, but it's basically the temp that accounts for humidity inside your place. Then, you check the outdoor dry bulb temperature, which is just the regular outside air temp. You take those two numbers and plug them into a superheat chart or an app designed for HVAC pros. That's where you get your target superheat number. When you're charging your system, measure the actual superheat by checking the suction line temp and pressure near the evaporator coil. If your actual superheat is higher than the target, it usually means you need more refrigerant because the coil isn't getting enough liquid refrigerant. If it's lower, you might have too much refrigerant, which can flood the compressor and cause damage. Always double check your readings and remember that small changes can make a big difference in performance and efficiency. One of the biggest mistakes people make when working with superheat and subcooling is not using accurate temperature readings. If your indoor wet bulb or outdoor dry bulb temps are off, your target superheat will be wrong, throwing off the whole charge. Fix that by using a reliable thermometer and double checking your numbers. Another common issue is ignoring the manufacturer's specifications for superheat. It's tempting to guess, but every system has its sweet spot. Always follow the chart or app guidance for the specific unit you're working on. Last, many overlook the importance of measuring subcooling alongside superheat. Subcooling helps confirm if the condenser is doing its job properly. If you skip this step, you might miss signs of overcharging or other issues. So, always measure both to get a complete picture. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by linking them with people who need reliable pros for their home projects.